So that wasn't as bad as it started out to be. I got that cleaned up pretty quickly. What I'm gonna have to do, because those pipes are original and very cool and important. So I want to clean them up. What I might take them in and get them re-chromed. Just looking at them, I haven't started. But what I'm gonna do is let's walk in this way. See what we have in here. So this is the laboratory, and see if we can get this set up. Okay, getting there. Okay, it's on the refrigerator. So stay there, stay there. You're okay. Look out a little bit more. Okay. Okay, so these pipes, it's hard to tell how much chrome's on there. So we can look at those, and that could either be grease or it could be lack of chrome. And parts of it is lack of chrome. So what I'm gonna do, I've got the machine here. It's a ultrasonic cleaner. It's a bath. My hands are dirty. Don't like touching my helmet. It'll sting. But normally you put solvents in and it does a really good job of cleaning. It does a really good job of. Very good for anything with holes and journals and galleries and stuff, because you can put something in there, whether it's an engine part or a carburetor or something. And due to what this machine does ultrasonically, it creates vibration and bubbles, I believe, ultrasonic, and it cleans. It's very good. But what I'm going to do here is turn the heater on, and I won't turn the bubbles on because it'll pit the chrome. But I don't have any solvent in there now. It's only water. It's 40 degrees right now. It's going to get warmer. It'll get up to 60. So I'll put these parts in and just heat them up to help get the grease off, sort of like a dishwasher. So it's only water. It's not solvent. A load of solvent for a machine like that's a couple $100. So I do have some, but I'm not using it. I may, for this machine, for the Norton that I'm putting on the shelf, I may reload it. But right now we're good enough with water. So we're gonna temperature on 40 degrees. All we gotta do is sort of just, I'm gonna take that basket out. Parts basket, we'll just get rid of that. We don't need that right now. Set that aside. And we'll just put these in there to try to help clean them. I've washed them with degreaser. We'll kind of cook them part at a time. So that, we cleaned that off. Now my sink's full of degreaser and I want to keep that. But we'll put that in there and just let the temperature, 60 degrees Celsius, is a good temperature to make something hot, and I'll come back with my rags and cloths and stuff. So I made a bit of a mess. I want to keep that degreaser in there, but not on me. Okay. And somewhere here, it's going to be outside, I have the remote, but I can't get my hands on it right now. So I'm going to reach up and turn this